sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale. Inhale. Please mute yourself. I request all of you to mute yourself. Inhale. Inhale. Repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjalim Anatosmi Nityam Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Take both hands behind your back, hold right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale, bend forward, pay your respects to Mother Earth, parents, teachers, God and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. Come to sitting Dandasana. Legs straight, body straight. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Please keep yourself in mute. I request all of you to keep yourself in mute. Legs straight, body straight. Keep the hands by the side of the body. Relax your feet. Feet forward, backward, 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 forward, backward. Move your feet left to right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Rotate your feet in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing position. Stand up. Please keep yourself in mute. Thank you. Come to standing position. Stand up. Inhale and take your both the hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, Straighten yourself, take your hands above your head. Please keep yourself in mute. Thank you. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head, straighten. Exhale, bring the hands down. Sidewise bending, bending to the side. Inhale and take your right hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale, take your left hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Take your left hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Keep both hands in front, palms facing down. Inhale. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back, other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back, other side. Inhale, center. Bring the hands down. Exhale. Throw your hands sideways to sideways with exhalation. Exhale. 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 Stop. Take your feet 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your feet 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale. Bend laterally towards left side. Touch the left ankle with left palm. Inhale. Straighten. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side, touch right ankle with right palm. Inhale, straighten. Let us do few rounds of this. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale. Stop. Straighten yourself. Keep your feet shoulder length apart. Inhale, take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Let us do few rounds of this. Inhale, exhale. 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 Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the hands down. Take your feet 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch. Left feet with right palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Let us do other side. Inhale. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch right feet with left palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straight. Okay. Now let us do little bit faster. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, inhale. Stop. Keep your feet shoulder length apart. Keep your feet shoulder length apart. Take your hands horizontal. Now, twist your upper body left side. Twist your upper body right side. Left, right, left to right. Move your upper body torso. Right, left, 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 right, center. Bring the hands down. Relax. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Take your hands above your head. Take your hands above your head. Bring your feet together. Now, when I say inhale, inhale and bring both the legs 90 degrees. When I say exhale, exhale and drop it down. When I say inhale, inhale and bring both the legs 90 degrees. When I say exhale, exhale and drop it down. Okay. So let us do few rounds. Inhale, exhale. 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 Stop. Now when I say, now bring both the feet, both the legs 90 degrees. Breathe normally, hold the position. Keep your feet 90 degrees till I count 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe normally. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Bring the hands down. Relax. Turn on to your stomach. Onto your stomach. Turn on to your stomach. Feet flat. Chin on the ground. Palms on the ground near your chest. Keep your palms on the ground near your chest. Feet flat. Chin on the ground. Inhale and raise your upper portion up from the waist. Rise your upper portion up from the waist. Straighten your elbows. From the waist, body is up. Use your back muscles. This is a very good asana for back pain. Helps reduce back pain. Also reduces stress. Breathe normally. Normal breathing. Hold the position. This is called Bhujangasana. Bhujanga means serpent, hooded cobra. Your body like a hooded cobra. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly drop it down. Exhale and drop it down. Relax. Again, we will do the same asana. Keep your palms by the side of on the ground near your chest. Feet flat, chin on the ground. Inhale and raise your upper portion up. Breathe normally. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly drop it down. Slowly come to lying down position on your stomach. Relax. Keep your palms below your thighs. Keep your palms below your thighs. Chin on the ground, feet flat. Inhale, while inhaling, rise your right leg up from the waist. Rise your right leg up. straight leg from the waist, raise it. Exhale and drop it down. Now the left leg. Inhale and raise your left leg up from the waist. Exhale and drop it down. I will say inhale, exhale. You raise your right leg up and down and then left leg up and down. Like that we will do few rounds. Inhale, exhale. 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 Stop. Relax. Remove your hands. Slowly come to standing position. Stand up. Relax. Take a small break of 1 minute. If you want to take a sip of water, you can take a small sip of water to wet your throat. Take a break of 1 minute. Okay, come back. Let us do Surya Namaskar. I'll give instructions. You do along with me, listening to my voice and the instructions. Come to one side of the mat. Put Namaskar Mudra. Keep your feet together. Put Namaskar Mudra. Pray to Sun God, Surya Narayana, giver of life, giver of energy. Pray to Surya Narayana, Narayana in the form of Surya. Ekam, take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel posture. Dve, bend forward, touch your toes. Padahastasana. Trini, keep your palms besides your feet on the ground. Take your right feet back. Take your right feet back as far back as possible. Keep your right knee on the ground. Head up. Ashwasancharanasana, horse riding posture. Chatwari, take your left feet back, join with your right feet. Keep your body like a straight line. Plank position. Dandasana. Pancha, keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana, rabbit posture. Shat, Sashtanga Pranam. Come forward and touch your chin and the chest to the ground. Your two toes, two knees, two palms, chest and chin, 8 places touching the ground. Sa Ashta Anga Pranam. Sashtanga Pranam. Sapta, rise your upper portion up. On your toes and palms, knees in the air. Your lower portion very close to the earth, upper portion bent upwards, head up, body up. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward looking dog. Ashta, rise your middle portion up on your feet and palms, body like a inverted V shape. Mountain posture. Parvatasana, body like a mountain. Adhomukha Svanasana, inward, downward looking dog. Nava, keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Rabbit posture. Dasha, bring your rise on your knees. Bring your right feet forward near your right palm. Left leg is back. Ashwasancharanasana with right leg forward. Right, left leg back, left knee on the ground. Ekadasha, bring the left feet forward, join with your right feet, bend forward, touch your knee, feet with the palms. Padahastasana. Dwadasha, take your rise up, take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana, half wheel posture. Release and relax. come to Sthiti, come to Namaskar Mudra. Where we started, that's how we ended. This is one Surya Namaskar. Anybody has any question, they can ask me. New joinees, they can ask me questions about Surya Namaskar. If there is no doubt, no question, we will do one more round. If anybody has any question, they can ask.
Sir, can you explain the breathe in and breathe on while we do this?
That will come later. First, you understand the asanas.
Okay.
I'll teach that later. Okay. Okay. Once more, remember all this sequence. Anybody else has any question? Okay. One more round we will do. One more round we will do. Come to one side of the mat. Put Namaskar Mudra. Ekam. Take your hands above your head. Bend backwards. Ardha Chakrasana. Half wheel posture. Please remember the sequence. Dve. Bend forward. Touch your toes with the hands. Padahastasana. Trini. Keep your palms besides your feet. Take your right feet back. Right knee on the ground. Ashwasancharana. Horse riding posture. Chatwari. Take your left feet back. Join with your right feet. Body like a straight line. Dandasana. Plank position. Pancha. Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Rabbit posture. Shat Sashtanga Pranam. Come forward. Touch your chest and chin on the ground. Sashtanga Pranam. Sapta. Rise your upper portion up on your toes and palms, knees in the air. Upper portion up, bent from the waist. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward looking dog. Ashta. Raise your middle portion up on your feet and palms. Make sure your heels are touching the ground. Inverted V shape. Body like a mountain. Parvatasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward looking dog. Nava. Keep your knees on the ground. Sit back. Shashankasana. Rabbit posture. Dasha. Bring your right feet near your right palm. Left leg back, left knee on the ground. Ashwasancharnasana with right leg forward, horse riding posture. Ekadasha, bring the left feet forward, join with your right feet, bend forward, touch your toes. Padahastasana. Dwadasha, Ardha Chakrasana. Take your hands above your head, bend backwards, Ardha Chakrasana. Release and relax, come to Sthiti. Relax. Anybody has any question? Is it clear? Okay, now third round. Third round, we will do the same asanas with breathing. Come to Sthiti, one side of the mat. Put Namaskara Mudra. Ekam Ardha Chakrasana with inhalation. Inhale and take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Inhale. First asana, inhalation. Dve, Padahastasana, exhalation. Trini, Ashwasancharnasana, right leg back. Inhale. Chatwari, exhale. Dandasana, exhale. Pancha, keep your knees on the ground, sit back. Inhale and exhale, normal breathing. Normal breathing in Shashankasana. Inhale, exhale and hold in Sashtanga Pranam. Inhale, exhale and hold. Sapta, inhale. Ashta, exhale. Nava, inhale, exhale, normal breathing. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Dwadasha, inhale. Exhale, release and relax. Any questions? Anybody has any question? Okay, so we'll do once more with breathing. Come to one side of the mat. Put Namaskar Mudra. Ekam, inhale and do first asana. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale, exhale, normal breathing. Shat, inhale, exhale, hold. Sapta, inhale. exhale. Now inhale, exhale, normal breathing. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale. Dvadasha, inhale. Exhale, release and relax. Relax. Anybody has any question on Surya Namaskar, please ask. Okay. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Legs apart, heels facing each other, hands by the side of the body, palms facing roof, eyes closed, face smiling. Relax. Lie down like a dead body. Shavasana. Shava means dead body, corpse. Lie down like a dead body. Keep your entire weight on the ground. Lie down like a dead body. Relax. Move your hands and legs. Move your head. Turn to the right side. Keep your left palm on the ground. With the help of left palm, come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Power gone here. Listen to my voice. Let us do Udgit, Omkara chanting. Keep your palms on your knees, index finger touching the thumb. palms facing upwards. Keep your eyes closed. Spine relaxedly straight, not rigid. Neck straight. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara few times. Chant Omkara with sacredness, respect, and devotion. Bhakti. Devotion towards Parabrahma, Paramatma, Narayana, Supreme Being. Omkara sound starts from navel center and travels all the way to top of the head, Sahasrara. At the end of Omkara sound, there is a silence and peace. Enjoy the silence and peace. Silence is God. Silence is God's gift. Enjoy the silence and peace, gift of God, prasada of God. Inhale. Let us chant Omkara together. Inhale. 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 Sit silently. Keep your mind on top of the head. Sit silently, enjoy the peace and silence. Put Namaskara Mudra. Repeat after me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Put Namaskar Mudra. Repeat after me. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shiva Swarupi. Shivoham. 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 Repeat after me. We will practice yoga daily for physical well-being, mental peace, and a clear intellect. We practice yoga for self-realization, and we will serve others to achieve self-realization. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.